Hello students, in this lecture we are going to solve a problem on Morse circle. This is a two-dimensional general stress system given, okay? And for this stress system we are going to find the principal stresses and its location, maximum shear stress and the location of the plane of maximum shear stress using Morse circle. Okay. So from this question given, let us see what is the data. So sigma x is 60 Newton per mm square and it is tensile in nature, so it is positive. Sigma y is 30 Newton per mm square, it is also tensile in nature, so plus sign. Tau xy with horizontal, it is making anti-clockwise couple. Okay, so tau xy is negative. So this is the data given. Next we will select a scale based on the values of sigma x, sigma y and tau xy. We will select a suitable scale which will fit in the graph sheet. So I have selected here that 10 mm is representing 10 Newton per mm square. Okay. So sigma x, which is 60 Newton per mm square, is equivalent to 60 mm. Similarly, sigma y is equal to 30 mm and tau xy is equal to minus 20 mm. Now after converting the given values of sigma x, sigma y and tau xy as per the scale what we have chosen, here in the graph sheet along the x-axis I am plotting sigma x, sigma, and along the y-axis we are plotting tau, that is shear stress. Okay. So first point, that is sigma x comma tau xy. So sigma x is 60 plus 60 and tau xy is minus 20. So when tau xy is minus, the first point will be plotted in positive tau xy. This is point A, representing 60 comma minus 20. Okay. Next point is B, that is 30 comma 20. So in the opposite we will plot this tau, okay, opposite to point A. Okay. So first point is important. If tau is plus, it will be plotted in minus. Since here tau is minus, we are plotting it in plus. So this point represents B, which is 30 comma minus 20. We'll join these 2 points. Join point A and B. This line intersects the x-axis, that is sigma axis, at point C. Okay. Now with C as the center and radius A, okay, with C as the center and radius A, we will draw a circle. So after drawing the circle, we will measure OD. Okay, so OD is about 69. OD is equal to 69 mm. This represents principal stress, maximum principal stress sigma 1. So if we convert to scale, this is 69 Newton per mm square. Similarly, we will measure OE, and OE is about 21. So OE is equal to 21 mm. This is sigma 2, which is equal to 21 Newton per mm square. Okay. Now the location of the principal stresses, that is theta 1. All angles in Mohr circle will be measured as 2 theta 1. Okay. So here, since this is point A is representing sigma x, so from here we will measure. So here this is sigma 1, so we will measure the angle in clockwise direction. So this is 2 theta 1. Okay. So from this line we are going to measure the angle. Okay. So here there are two types of graduation. One, okay, 0 to 180, and outer scale is 0 to 180. So measure from here 0, okay, and it is about 54, okay, 54. So this is equal to minus 54 degree. Therefore theta 1 will be equal to 27 degree. Next, 2 theta 2 is equal to, so 2 theta 2 lies here. You can measure in this angle. This is 2 theta 2. Okay, you can measure in counterclockwise also. So 2 theta 2 will be positive angle, okay? Or else you can measure from this angle also. This is also 2 theta 2, but this is negative angle. Okay, so you can measure from here. I am measuring the positive angle. Okay, so it is about 126. So 126 degree. Therefore theta 2 is equal to 63 degree. Okay. Then maximum shear stress. So we'll draw a vertical line. We will draw a vertical line from point C. Okay. We have drawn a vertical line from point C. I will name this as F. Okay. So we can measure the maximum shear stress from this point. Okay. So it is about, so zero line, it is about 23 mm. So CF is equal to 23 mm, is representing tau maximum, which is equal to 23 Newton per mm square. Okay. Now location is from this plane. So this angle is measured. This is 2 theta 1 dash. 2 theta 1 dash. So keep a protractor over here. Okay. And this angle is about 37. Okay, so 2 theta 1 dash is equal to 37 degree. Okay, so therefore theta 1 dash is equal to